I clearly need a bigger mug, but we are team Nespresso. This was the one thing I got for Black Friday, and honestly, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I cannot believe that I'm saying this, that I personally actually really do love the Nespresso, even though I still have my Greca and will forever love it, will forever use it. But we now have an espresso. All right, I ended up changing the mug because honestly there was no way I was going to drink from the clear one. But good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Basically this should be Vlogmas, but I mentioned on Instagram I am not doing Vlogmas this year, unfortunately. I have so much going on this December that I just cannot add Vlogmas to the mix. So good. I feel like this is the first year in so long that I don't do Vlogmas, so I'm definitely gonna miss it. I honestly love Vlogmas. I love vlogging every day for December, but you guys know that I just launched my own business, and this particular collection has been very time consuming and very loved, thankfully. I'm so happy and grateful that you guys have been loving the blankets as much as you have, and I'm having a lot of fun making them, even though it is a little stressful to fulfill the items on time because I don't want to be late with the delivery process. I have so many things to do today and just catching up on life. I also have to crochet a bunch, so you'll be seeing a lot of that. Some of you guys asked me to still vlog for Vlogmas and just show myself crocheting, and honestly, sure, it'll be fun, just the first vlog, maybe the second, but the fact that I have to crochet all day, every day, nothing else, like when I have to crochet for Nat the Label, I don't do anything else, so it'll be a boring vlog. This past weekend we went to Boston, which was actually a lot of fun. Personally, I wasn't a huge fan of Boston when I went for the first time last year due to COVID and quarantine and just like the time restrictions that they had there. It wasn't fun, but this time around it was actually a lot of fun. I really enjoyed my stay there, and we actually stayed at Yotel. I'll try to insert some clips here because I tried to vlog, but then my camera died and I gave up.
Gang, gang!
Road trip!
B-Town, what's up?
Oh my God.
We're gonna be rocking our Yankee hats the whole time.
Oh no. Last time we went to Boston, I had my Yankee hat and the, how do you call that? The bell,
oh, yeah, the
bellman.
Bell guy, yeah.
He was grilling me and just like making jokes of my Yankee hat. Eric wants to kill me because I
2 nights.
brought a bunch of
Back
things.
for the village.
I'm an overpacker. I'd rather be an overpacker than an underpacker because I would hate myself if I leave things behind.
I would hate myself too, sweetie. Anyways. Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys!
Good morning. We are currently at the hotel room. We're staying at Yotel, which I showed you guys a quick little room tour, thankfully, because it's a hot mess. But I want to give you a quick OOTD. I'm wearing this faux teddy bear material jacket coat from Express. This scarf is from Italic, I think. My pearl sweater is from H&M, and jeans are from Abercrombie & Fitch. They have like a cute little slit detail. And then my shoes are from Charles & Keith as well as the bag. So yeah, we're heading to the aquarium now. Eric's outfit.
Easy breezy beautiful. We got the sweatshirt from H&M, sweater from H&M. I don't know where the jeans are from. I don't know where the shoes are from, but you know how we...
Express shoes. Jeans are from Banana Republic, I think.
Gucci.
Oh God.
Gucci, Louis, Versace.
Versace.
Hermes.
Go, let's go. But yeah, we are back now. I actually unpacked the first day that I got here. I do have to clean my brushes, put my makeup away. I have some PR to put away as well. Just clean and organize the apartment and mop. I haven't mopped in like a month, you guys, which is so weird because you guys know how much of a clean freak I am. But again, I haven't had time for anything. Another thing that I want to mention, tomorrow I'm having my second to last driving class before my test. And I am just so nervous, you guys. So I'm gonna show you what I've been taking and what I've been doing to keep my anxiety levels low and just more zen and relaxed whenever I do take my driving tests or driving classes, sorry. But also just for like my everyday to day life. I have mentioned them before, so let me get it really quickly. So I've been taking CBD from Equilibria for the past 3 months, I would like to say. I've mentioned them before. This portion of the video is sponsored by Equilibria. Personally, I love them. I'm going to insert my discount code if you guys want to get it because it is truly amazing. Like, it's great for going to sleep. It's great to just have a more easy morning and more relaxing morning if you have a stressful day that day, or even if you're one of those people that get super stressed with work and stuff. This has been amazing. So I love taking it at night and also during the day whenever I have a really long day. All right, so these are some of my favorites. I also need to get the relief cream that I love. I actually have it in my nightstand. This right here is their relief cream, which works wonders when you have that time of the month. I like to apply it wherever I get cramps. It's also great to put in your temples if you get headaches. The daily drops I like taking every morning and every night to either help me go to sleep or just have a more relaxing day. This is the daily drops in the extra strength form. These right here are the calming melts. We also have some daily gummies with the pineapple dragon fruit flavor and their daily soft gels. They recently sent me one of their stocking stuffers, which, like I just mentioned, I love their daily gummies. So this is one of their stocking stuffers, which is the limited edition daily gummies in the sugared plum, gingered pear, and their spiced pomegranate. These all sound amazing. And the actual packaging is just so cute. They have a great deal right now. If you buy 2 stocking stuffers under their gift under $60 section, you'll get 1 free. And you can also use my 15% off added to that if you use Nathalie at checkout, which is amazing. They also sent me this amazing box, which is their Presents Favorites box. It has the Calming Melt, Relief Balm, daily drops, and their nourishing body oil. They also have a great selection of gifts under $60 where you can buy 2 and get 1 free, like the gummies, the body oil, the rapid calming melts. These 2 are also one of my favorites. They're the mineral soak and the bath bombs. And again, the nourishing body oil is listed as their gifts under $60, as well as the calming melts. And by the way, you can get 15% discount code if you use Nathalie, so make sure you add that to your order and subscriptions if you guys end up going with their subscription as well. So couldn't recommend these enough. I'm going to take my CBD right now. Bed has been made. I just added my little throw at the end, which looks like this. Like I've mentioned, this is like a custom made that I basically just practice with. So this was like my very first one, which is why it's a looser fit than the rest. But I feel like if they're a tighter knit, they will last longer. Even though it looks super aesthetically pleasing, your toes peeking out, it's not as cozy. Anyways, let me show you guys my little uniform, because I feel like I wear this in every vlog, but it's just the most comfortable leggings slash set sweatshirt that I have. They're both from H&M, by the way. So this is what I'm going to be wearing today. I also have this pile of PR that I unboxed the other day that I need to put away. And then I have this mess to take care of today. So I did some laundry and I have everything just drying here. So I ended up reordering these accent pillows that I got from Amazon because clearly I got a size way too big. I think this is the 26 by 26 and they need it to be, what is this, 24 by 24 hopefully, or 20 by 20. Not too sure. I just know that this is way too big. So I'm going to be changing those, and today I think it's finally going to be the day where I remove the cushion covers and wash it in the washing machine for the first time. I also have a Bissell, which I should try that, especially for this part of the couch. But for now, I'm going to be removing all of the cushion covers and washing that. By the way, this right here are my boxes for Not the Label, and those are microfiber cloths so that the wall doesn't get scratched. Are they the same size? Oh no. Those are definitely bigger. But I still think I could have gotten away with a smaller size. Alright, epic fail. You can remove it, but I feel like I would low-key ruin putting it back. So I'm not going to risk it. I'm just going to use my Bissell in hopes for it to clean it. Alright, here is the little green Pro Heat Bissell. My only con about this specific one is honestly the fact that this is not as long as you would assume. So you have to unplug it quite often when moving around. I do wish it was wireless. That would be like a game changer. I'm of course going to add Fabuloso because you guys already know. I also have a little bit left of this, so I'll add some of that as well. I shake it. You guys, I'm not even halfway done. And look how disgusting this water is. Like, what? Also, I literally cleaned the vacuum before starting with the couch, and I just vacuumed those 4 back ones and then this massive one, and that is all the dust that it collected. I still need to do all of these. Oh my god, you guys, that was a workout. Like a full-blown body workout. I was going to work out today too. I can't. It also took a lot longer than expected. I think like an hour and a half or 2, but totally worth it. I actually got the Bissell last year for Black Friday, I believe, and I've only used it twice, but this time around it actually reassured me how good of a product it is. You can deep clean your couch that way. You can also deep clean the rug. I would love to clean my rug with it. I just don't know if like the fluffiness of it will actually get a deep clean, but let me show you up close. So this is what it looks like up close. It's still drying in certain areas, but oh my god, 100% worth every penny. Let me show you guys how disgusting. Do you see that? And there's actually like glumps of something in there. I cannot believe it. I was actually surprised just with the Dyson, like, because I vacuumed before I deep clean with water, and there was so much dust. If you needed a sign to get this or to deep clean your couch, this is it. Just finished vacuuming and mopping the apartment. It honestly feels and smells so clean in here. I haven't been able to clean in like over a month now, so this truly feels amazing. I'm now going to have some leftover chicken soup for a late lunch and then get to crocheting. I just finished crocheting a blanket. It's been such a long day. I'm exhausted. I'm about to just have dinner and chill on the couch, watch some Netflix. But I want to remind you guys to check out Equilibria and also their holiday gift guide ideas under $60. I'm going to be linking it down below for you guys so you can check it out. Don't forget to use Nathalie at checkout for an extra 15% off your entire order, plus their BOGO sale that they currently have going on for their holiday gift guide. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!